We're riding one of the prettiest stretches of the Swamp Rabbit Trail today, Furman University up to Traveler's Rest, part of a trail that runs about 20 miles across Greenville County. Stick with me because about halfway in, we ride straight out to a bell tower sitting in the middle of a lake. That building tucked off the trail on the left is the Furman Outdoor Club's cabin. They call it the rabbit hole, where students stash their gear. This whole path used to be a rail line, and that old car in the grass is a nod to it. Furman put a water station right next to it, so it's a good place to top off. And this is where the trail opens up to Furman's Lake, 40 acres of it, and that's Paris Mountain across the water. I pulled over here to show you this little lakeside garden. There's a marker for John Todd Anderson, a Furman student who became a doctor and shipped out to China in 1916. Unfortunately, he drowned crossing a river 2 years later, and so his classmates put this here for him. In the middle of the lake is an 88-foot replica of Furman's original 1854 tower, and there are 60 bells up top that were cast all the way in Holland. Time it right and you will hear them play. And we're back on the Swamp Rabbit Trail. From here, it is a quieter run north. Trees, a little shade, not much traffic. wanted to take a second to highlight this white bike. It's a memorial to cyclists lost on Greenville County roads. No one specifically died here, it's just a reminder of why a trail like this matters. Next to it is a free bike tool station, put here by Bike Walk Greenville. If your bike needs a quick adjustment, this is your spot. If you do this right on Saturday morning, this is where it can all pay off. On Saturday mornings, the trail drops you right into the Travelers Rest Farmers Market at Trailblazer Park, the biggest independent farmers market in the state. This market features 80 plus vendors, live music, coffee, and breakfast. Hard to beat as a place to end a ride. If you would ride this, do me a favor, like and subscribe. And that's the state of the trail.